If you're stuck in finding ideas for your next game, here are two resources that are great for finding your next great game idea. The first one is Reddit. There is a page dedicated to game development and game ideas, and it's really cool if you take a look at all the ideas that people are suggesting, and you'll definitely find something that's worth taking a look at. The second one is itch.io. Itch.io is a place for all the independent game developers as well as small companies that work on video games. You will find all the cool stuff here, and the ideas that are used in indie game development are brilliant. Make sure to take a look at the game jams on itch.io and take a look at what people are creating for each theme, and you will get great ideas from these. Also, take a look at the previous game jams, either on itch.io or on YouTube, to see what people have been creating and what they've been working on. It gives you some great ideas.